Hey guys, name's Eric. I'm just here to show you a demonstration on um, how you can run a multiplayer split screen gaming session using just one computer and one monitor. You can have multiple monitors, but for this example, we're just going to use one monitor, and it's a bunch of free programs. But to be able to do this, you can run 4 instances basically of this game. I'm gonna use Quake 3 a Doom mod for Freedoom. It's called Quake 3 Champions mod for the actual Freedoom, which is free. The mod's free as well, and the program I'm going to use is called protoinput, and that's open source, is free as well. You just need a computer. I recommend i5 4550 or above. This is an i5 7500, but it's more than plenty. But all you need is really 8 gig RAM. But really, to run, if I want to run 4 instances, which to have like a party with multiple monitors, you'll want i5 7500. So to run protoinput, which allows me to run multiple keyboards and mice, you need to have upgraded to Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro 22H2 version. Upgraded it. You can upgrade it from Windows 7 all the way up to here for free if you just keep upgrading. And this is the build 1904. It just works really well. You can try it at other Windows 7, but it's not going to work as good as when you have it upgraded to Windows 10, this newest. So, okay. So we got 2 instances of ZDL, which is my front door to open Freedoom to play against each other. So one is going to be the server, acting as a server, this one. And the other one's going to be like a client, but actually they're all client servers programs, so it really doesn't matter. So it's locally, no internet required, no router required, just plug and play. So I have 2 mice and 2 keyboards, so we'll start the first one at IP here, launch. And then we're going to move this in the corner here. It'll be waiting. Okay, allow access. And then we'll put this in the corner here. Okay, now this guy is going to join. So see how that works here. And I gotta move one in the corner here. Then I'm going to use the other one in the other corner here. Okay, we see each other, right? Okay, so now I gotta go Alt-Tab to something else. So what we're gonna do is gonna go to protoinput, because I want to connect these 2 so they can play against each other. So we're already connected. So we'll go protoinput. This is a free program, and you have to install Microsoft Net Framework 4.8 to get this going. But it should already be installed if you have Windows 10, the version I just showed you. So let's run it with the virus protection off, because sometimes it eats this up. So okay, so this will be one mouse and keyboard. So then from here, I'm controlling it with one mouse. I Alt-Tab, and then I hit Add Focus Window, GZ Doom, Select Mouse. And I'm just using one keyboard. You can use 2 keyboards, that's preferably. And then Easy Hook Inject. That's about it there. And then the second mouse, I'm going to grab the second mouse here. So I'm in here, and then Alt-Tab again, the protoinput. See, you can just Alt-Tab to all these, but you just want to go protoinput so I'm going to tie this window to protoinput. That's why I alt-tabbed right to this. So it should add that window, add focus window. See, it's a different PID, so that's a different window. Click that, hit set mouse, keyboard, whatever. So see, it's a different mice. See the select mouse, this number is different. So it's different mice. So now they're all set. So now I have to do inject instances. See if it works. Okay. Now I got one more thing. Control-Alt-1. I have to external freeze fake input. I have to unclick that. I'm sorry, wrong. This one. Freeze fake input while viewing. Unclick that. Now hit Control-Alt-2. That's the second window. Freeze fake input. Unclick that. It's not really that many steps. It really isn't. And then hit the end key. End key. Okay, and then. Okay. I can switch champions. Let's see, who do I want to be? There's a lot of different guys. Be that guy over here. Oops. Okay, so this guy should change once he dies. See what happens. See, the bottom guy's a different guy. See what he looks like. I don't know. Anyway, it's a really cool game though to play. Okay. Oop. There's no lag. Super fast. You can run 4 instances if you want in this game. And I can actually have my own sound with headsets using audio router. It's another free program. So your own audio, your own window, using multiple monitors. In this case we're just using one. It's pretty cool. All of this software is free. Okay, we're gonna exit out of here. So hit the end key to do it properly. You're gonna hit the end key, and you're just gonna hit end, and end. That way there's no issues here. Okay, thanks for letting me share this session with you. Any more questions, or I will share more of how this works with other games.